guys, today I'm making a really fun kind of like brunch buffet dish because you can make this in a muffin cup. I'm using these shredded hash browns, not the tater tots and not the O'Brien kind, but the actual shredded kind that has, you know, these little long strips. So we're gonna take a bag of those, and these are partially thawed. You can wait for them to completely thaw, but then I think it gets a little too starchy. So just kind of loosen them up like that. And then I'm going to be adding a 2-cup bag. This is gourmet 3-cheese blend of different kinds of cheddar. If you can't find that, you just use your favorite kinds of yellow cheese or even like a Colby Jack. Mix that in as well. Get that to the bottom. I think it's easier to work with when these potatoes are still just a little frozen, because then you don't get potato all over your hands. Okay. To that, we're going to be adding, this is 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Pour that all the way around. I'm going to be adding some chives. It's about a tablespoon. We use the Mrs. Dash. For those of you who are salt conscious, this is going to be a good seasoning option. And then just because I'm not necessarily watching my salt, I'm adding just a little bit of this buttery steakhouse seasoning. This is so good. It adds like a little extra butter flavor. But there is salt in this, so be careful if you're watching your salt. So now that we've got all the butter, I'm not going to stick my hands in there. Use a spatula, just kind of mix everything together. I was getting ready for the summer vacation. You guys have like travel plans this summer? Let me know in the comments. I kind of want to live vicariously through knowing where y'all are planning on going this year. Okay, so now that that is well mixed together, I'm going to get these muffin tins. Obviously, get a little bit of vegetable spray, spray each one. Go ahead and get a little bit of hash brown in each one. I'm actually just gonna dump it over the whole thing and then sort it out after. So just go ahead and dump all this to the muffin tins. And then this goes into a 350-degree oven. Just wait, I wasn't quite done. As you probably guessed, that was a lot of hash brown mix for one container, for one tray of muffins. So I actually took half of that off, and you're going to be using the other half and putting it into these jumbo muffin tins. So go ahead and take these jumbo ones, make a little divot, make sure there's a little bit of potato on the bottom, each one, and just kind of push them up the sides like that. Okay, so once you have that done, we're going to be taking some grade A eggs. Just gonna be using 6 today. One in each one. Oh, that one broke, but hopefully it'll stay intact. Okay, and then this is going to go into, along with the other hash browns. I'm gonna be taking all of this and we're gonna pop it into a 350-degree oven. Look at these hash brown cups. They're so easy to make. And if I grease these properly, oh yeah, look at that, it's all spinning around. So let's go ahead and pop these out. With that, I'm going to put this right on the bottom here, and I'm going to do the rest of these as well. Like that. And then let's bring in the main event, these birds or eggs in a nest. Okay, so I'm going to pop those right here. Get one out. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that great? Okay, let me do the rest of them. Cut right in the middle of this. Poke through. But look, I'm gonna get a little bit of ketchup. I don't know what you like putting on your eggs, but you know, I'm half Asian, so I like a little bit of ketchup on mine. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick this up. Give this a test. So good. Make these. They'll love them.